Don't forget to give us likes, leave your comments, share us to your friends, and also subscribe to our channels. We have YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Facebook.
Hello everyone, my name is Pisek Obens. I'm from Keston. As usual, I bring you actionable insights about AI and generative AI so that you can empower yourself and your team. But you are in our new series. I call this series Random Forest. What I'm going to do is I'm going to explore some topics that I'm interested in, hopefully about AI, and that will be unfiltered. I will just say what I see and say what I think, and I will fail a lot. Hopefully, I don't fail more than 80% of the time, but you'll get to see how I explore stuff. And honestly, I have a lot of things that I don't know, and hopefully with this series, I will know more, and I think I can encourage you to explore new stuff with me as well. So today we are going to take a look into Gemini 2.0. So let's get started. So I think this is the official page for Gemini 2.0 that Google DeepMind has just announced a few days ago, like maybe like on 11th of December 2024, and here we go. Look, Gemini 2.0 built for agentic era. Lots of people will say that 2025 will be the year of agentic era, and kind of agree with it. Lots of momentum are going that way. Anyway, so I think I can chat with Gemini right now and build with Gemini. Let me just click on that link. Okay. Oh, so this brought me to the Gemini 1.5 Flash, and okay, the 2.0 experimental phase still is here. I can upgrade it to, well, I don't have to upgrade it to play with the experimental model. Let's see, experimental model 2.0 Flash experiment might not work as expected. Okay, just disclaimer that it might make some mistakes, I think. All right, what is quantum? Okay, computing. Explain as 5. Let's see. Okay, imagine you have a light switch. A normal light switch could be either 1 or 0. Yeah, on and off. That's normal computer. Ooh, okay. This is fact checks, I think. Found similar content like this. Quera.com makes computer super fast. Okay. Okay. Now let's hit it with a harder question. Tell me about polarization entangled photon pairs generated with 4-wave mixing. Yep, that's my PhD thesis. Let's see if I can find mistakes. Blah, blah, blah. 4-wave mixing, nonlinear process, optical. What's this? Optica. Good. This is a good journal for optics field. Nonlinear medium, pump photons, interaction. All in all, not bad. Look at those reference. That's pretty good. What materials can we make 4-wave mixing from? I think silicon should come up on top. Yeah, silicon. Yeah, sure, fine. Okay, crystals, BBO, yep, that's typical ones. Our gas, not in there. I think it's not. Oh, here it is. Yep, our gas. Okay, cool. So it kind of know a lot more about physics, I think. But apparently I can access Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental here. I can upload an image. Do I want to? Maybe not. Double check response. Need to report a legal issue. Gem manager. Okay. All right. Okay, this is my old one, I think. Gem Manager. I haven't really explored gems at all, actually. This concept is similar to custom GPTs from OpenAI, I think. Pre-made. Okay, test gems, brainstormer, career guide. Ooh, this is interesting for someone who is in career crisis. Oh, let's see. Well, I'm curious. 1.5, I would like to improve my presentation skills. Try to chat with gems. Okay, wow. If I click this, I'm going to try Gemini Advanced, and maybe later. Okay, I'll leave it be for now. I'll go back to the main page. I have to click this button, build with Gemini 2.0. What does it lead to? It brought me to Google AI Studio. Okay, this is legal consent. This is very exciting. This is like a playground for constructing your AI. Then you have a system instruction there. Okay, you can provide a system prompt there. Ooh, you can stream it real time as well. New feature, huh? Multimodal live API with Gemini 2.0. Start interacting in real time with text, voice, video, and screen sharing. Huh, screen sharing. Okay. Start the apps, tune the model. Ooh, you can tune a model from an existing structured prompt or create one by importing from Google Sheet. I see. Oh, I need data to do this. Prompt gallery. Okay. Recipe to JSON. Math worksheet, math tutor. Teach me a lesson on quadratic. You should learn to do that yourself. You know, it just helps you with logic. But if you can't, here it is. Gemini 2.0 is here for help. Okay, marketing barista bot. Order common coffee drinks from this virtual barista. Need to find something challenging. Research assistant. Understand the key attributes of research papers. Methodology. Brand extractor. Docker script. Wow, this can really help me with this. Cool. Eclipse searching grounding. Eclipse search grounding. Okay, next Eclipse. Audio storyteller. Weather search. regex. Nice. Yes. Yeah. regex. Alien language. Sentiment analysis. Analyze the sentiment again. Confusion matrix. Okay. API documentation. Okay. So you can probably call Flash 2.0 with API now. Explore long context. How long is it? Okay. Gemini 2.0 overview. Okay. Speed, quality, new modality. Lots of information here, guys. All right, before I come back here, let's go back to the original web page. Okay, unlock the new era of agentic experiences. Okay, sure. What is this website? Okay, this is what I read this before. This is mostly business announcements, you know, like we are doing this, we are awesome, and so on. We are going to contribute so much to the world. But here we go, Gemini 2.0 Flash here seems to be performing better in many benchmark data sets like MLU, the world knowledge. Okay, coding looks good, man. Factuality, facts grounding, so same. Math improved. Reasoning with GPQA, maybe it's too small for you guys. Yeah, it should be better now. Long context, so it's 1 million tokens. Wow, it sucks here. It's even worse than, I think this column is the Flash 1.5. So long context got a little bit worse. Image, audio, so, roughly the same thing. Video, improve. All right, so Gemini 2.0 seems to be improving, at least what I've seen in Flash, and the Pro should be much better. And below here is the introduction to their project called Astra, agents using multimodal understanding in the real world. So yeah, the Gemini 2.0 should be both multimodal for the input and the output. So input, it can seize language, voice, text, coding, and video, images. But also in terms of the output, I think it can do text, image, and audio as well. So all three main communication modes here. Where is it? I couldn't find it. But that's what I read. Now, Project Mariner actually exhibits an outstanding performance that AI or agents need to know what tools to do in whatever context. And yeah, this is like 83.5% on the Web Voyager benchmark. So now the AI, especially the Flash 2.0, can understand what you need to do, help humans in terms of web browser, I think. Okay, agent in games, Genie 2. What is Genie 2? AI model that can create an endless variety of playable 3D worlds from a single image. Yeah, so useful hallucination. Give one image and then you can play a whole game with it. Useful hallucination, I think. Okay. I don't think this is available for the general public yet. It's under development. Yeah, this is lots of examples, guys. So let's see. Is it? Okay. You can see the legs now kind of like mashed up. Yeah, still need to improve on that. This is hallucination. This is just generation based on statistics. And the fact that it has got this far is quite interesting. Quite impressive. Yeah, look at the legs. Look at that. Oh, disappearing legs. Unphysical, but you know, they will get improved for sure. It's cool. Can't wait to play the game made entirely by AI hallucination. Damn, body disappeared, disintegrated. This is kind of cool. All right, anyway, okay, let's go through a little bit more. Okay, this is going to be about features of Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental workhorse model, low latency and enhanced performance, improved capability with native tool use, and natively create images and speech. So image generation is native now. I think it means that the LLM doesn't call another model to do image generation. Another model could be like Imagen 3, which previously is created just for the purpose of image generation. But now I think Flash 2.0 can generate image on its own. This one is native text to speech, so it can produce voice natively. Nice. To use, as usual, this is crucial to implement an agent, right? So, okay, the two buttons I clicked before. And let's see, one step closer to a universal AI assistant, unlock new possibility for AI agents. Intelligent systems can use memory, reasoning, planning. Yeah, this is this set of capabilities is crucial for implementing a good AI assistant who can do things. Real-time streaming, yeah, sure. Multimodal understanding, yeah, this is its attempt. So look at that. So now the AI can understand video feeds and possibly can listen to the people using it as well. So it's multimode as well as multilingual. Yeah, the ability to actually understand multiple languages at the same time. Yeah, good. Yeah, French now. Agents that can help you accomplish complex tasks. A research prototype exploring the future of human-agent interaction starting with your browser. So yeah, this is the project Mariner, where I think the AI knows how to browse, use web browser and help you with your tasks. Right now it's helping this lady doing some Google Sheet. Okay, agent in other domains like code assist for sure. For games that we see before with Genie 2, hands-on. Ooh, starter apps. What is this? Spatial understanding. Do I need to download it somewhere? Okay. Oh, okay, brought me to GitHub. Starter applets. Okay, interesting. It has spatial understanding. Ask Gemini to give you a location of objects, text, and more. Okay, understand what's in the scene, I think. Video understanding, outline key moments, and summarize with an overview of a paragraph, or even haiku. Sure, everyone wants haiku. Yeah. Function calling with Maps API. Ask questions based on geography and choose a pre-populated topic to watch the map. Okay, travel to different location using Google Maps. Maybe interesting. Are we done yet? Not yet. Our multimodal live API helps developers build applications with better natural language interaction and video understanding. This is more interesting to me. Live API. So, I think it's the same page that we landed before. Is it? Enables low latency two-way communications with text, audio, and video input with audio and text output. Okay, yep, talking back to me. This facilitates a natural human-like voice conversation. I think this is.
Have you ever worked with machinery when something stops working
Okay.
and you don't know how to triage the situation? You could break out the manual or call a technician, but both of those options are cost and the
Okay,
new
good
Gemini
lady.
input reasons across the information and generate. Hey Gemini,
Hey there, what's on your mind today?
can you see what I'm showing you?
Yes, I can see the video you're showing me.
It's about 2 to 3 seconds delay. Not bad, I think. Or maybe I would just enlarge this.
It looks like you have an espresso machine.
I like
Yeah,
this
I'm
brand
new to
though.
this machine and I'm having trouble grinding beans. Can you help me out?
Okay. Oh, okay.
With grinding the beans.
I'm used to espresso machines that have a grind button, but this one doesn't. How can I grind the beans with this machine?
push it.
I see. Well, based on the video, it looks like you need to press the portafilter against the button beneath the grinder to start the grinding process. Have you tried that?
No, I haven't.
Okay, give that a try and let me know what happens. Sometimes.
Right. Cool. I used this machine before. Yeah. This is great. Oh well, let's move on. Multimodal, right. Low latency, session memory. Oh, okay. Memory is important. The model retains memory of all interactions within a single session, recalling previously heard or seen information. Okay, session memory, I think if I recall correctly, I saw that it's retained for 10 minutes. But yeah, that information might be somewhere in this website here. Okay, that's a lot of code now. So let's go back to this. This is a demo. Right. Okay. Here we go.
Okay, this is a quick demo of multimodal live streaming in Gemini 2.0, and we are casting a tab into AI Studio. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Oh, okay. He's
Yes, I see your screen.
streaming.
It's showing a document with the title Demo. It also contains bullet points and a Google Meet window with a person in the video. Is there anything in particular you would like to talk about on the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, can you start the demo by just reading the text I highlighted?
This is just to demonstrate that now the model can understand what is happening on the screen. Well, context.
Sure, I can do that. The text you highlighted reads, "The Multimodal Live API lets you build real-time multimodal applications."
Blah, blah, blah. Okay, fast forward.
I can do that. Multimodal refers to the ability to process and understand different types of data, like text, images, and audio all together.
I think the AI answered from its own knowledge. So this is there's a room for hallucination here, right?
Does that help?
Yeah, I need to demo the interruptions feature next. Can you tell me a really boring kind of once upon a time sort of story?
Okay, I can do that. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled beside a quiet forest, there was a very unremarkable rock. This rock was gray and it was round, and it sat
Sorry,
there.
I have to interrupt you.
No problem. I understand that interruptions are part of the demo. What should I do now?
You see, it still has like a 2 or 3 second delay, but not bad. I think, well, if the Flash 2.5 or 3 will get faster, then this awkward gap will be gone.
So we're gonna demo memory. Can you just summarize everything we've seen or heard so far?
I can do that. So far, we've discussed a demo of the Multimodal Live API, which lets you build real-time multimodal apps, and I defined what multimodal means. I was also
Okay, that's a good demo. Ooh, a lot more here. Very interesting. Boilerplate, a React-based starter project to simplify the development of real-time conversational applications with Gemini. Gen Explainer, learn about complex topics with unexpected character. Understand the science of volcanoes with a sports commentator, or the complexity of market. What the hell is this? Explainer. Gen Weather, learn about the weather of a particular location. Ask a question to receive a text explainer on what the weather look like. Okay, that's a lot of stuff I'm interested in here. Let me just bookmark that. Okay, Gemini 2.0 is our most capable model yet, building on the strength of our previous generations. Benchmarks. Okay, here lies the performance with different benchmarks. We have general knowledge, coding, factuality, math, reasoning, long context. We saw this graph before. Responsibly, yeah, for sure. We should be using AI responsibly, especially in the age of generative AI, where it's getting harder to know if this thing that we are looking is AI generated or authentically from human. Lots of spams are going to be crazy, guys. Okay, improved capability means it's now possible to build new agents that can think, remember, plan, take an action. Ooh, like to build. Okay, developer showcase. Okay, this is actually someone has developed some application, at least in the demo, before. We go experimenting with Gemini 2.0 to create virtual character and audio narration for the AI. Ooh, this is interesting. Let's take a look. Don't let the music. Grandma. Oh, Granny running. Oh God, I love the Granny. Look at her.
And there she is, Grandma Ruth, weaving and dodging past two defenders
Holy
like
crap.
she's threading a needle. She's in the clear. What a move! Our best Grandma Ruth.
Oh my God, this is great for memes. This is amazing. Wiggle, guys. Wiggle X Gemini. Okay, what else do I have? How can I go to the right? What are we having here? Toon Sutra. Toon Sutra? Leveraging contextual multilingual translation abilities of Gemini 2.0 to make comics and webtoons accessible to audiences across India. This is nice too.
At Toon Sutra, we're bringing the world's best comics to India in regional languages. Translating over 3,000 plus global comics isn't just about words. It's about capturing the story, the context, and the tone within every panel. That's why we're prototyping with Gemini 2.0 Flash's advanced multimodal translation capabilities to make our vast library of comics accessible to a diverse, multilingual audience.
Wow, this is great. So, because AI can understand human language really, really well, this is a good use of that capability, language machine translation. So yeah, now the AI understand context, the translation can be much, much better. This is cool. Okay. What else do I have here? Prototyping a new natural language computing experience on an infinite canvas. That is really broad. What is going on here? Okay. Instruction, write me a story. Okay, I think this is, it looks like you are creating agentic workflow, but specifically shaped to, I don't know, drawings and stuff. But yeah, the whole idea is to create a workflow like this. This node output this result got transferred or transformed or transduced into other things, and you keep going in flow. So yeah, this is agentic workflow, and righteously so. It's done with Gemini 2.0. Supposed to be agentic awesome, isn't it? Okay. Developer ecosystems. So let's actually get back to, before we go there, what are we having here? Okay, this is the model family in Gemini. We have the Ultra, really big and largest model for highly complex tasks. You have the Pro, the Flash 2.0, and the Nano, supposed to be running on device. Accessing our latest, okay, sign in. Oh, that's really big sign in button. So what I want to actually do is I'll close this for now. What I want to try is this AI Studio thing. What can it do? And the fact that I can come here without doing anything much, just log in with my account, case done by AI here, means that you can have access to this as well. All right, so what I should do, enable autosave. Okay, what does it do? Okay, I just allowed it to enable autosave. What am I comparing with? Ooh, comparing different models. Right. Okay. Oh, Gemma is a free version, small one, so can't really compare with the Flash. But let's see if I want to try with what is this thing? Learn Pro. Okay, was supposed to be better. So I need to give it a really difficult prompt. Oh, I have a hard time coming up with a prompt. Let's. If I search the internet, then it doesn't work too. Maybe math. What's the math? What's the math? I have. Excuse me. I have 2 bags. First bag has 6 balls. 2 are red, maybe 2 is, I don't know. And second bag has 11 balls. 5, 6, but I think 2 must be is, doesn't matter. 2 is red. What is the chance of picking each one ball from each bag? That's what is the chance of picking one ball from each bag and both balls in sequence, I think. In sequence, and both balls picked are red. Okay, I've done my best. I've come up with oh my god, okay, that's fast. Maybe my question is not hard enough. Both of them have the same answer. Okay, back one. Oh, let's break this down step by step. So chain of thought is imbued into the model. This is more math, man. Okay. Maybe my question is easy. Anyway, so both of them got like the answer by 2.7 seconds. All right. Okay, I'll leave it at is. Just for fun, let's bully. Just. Can I? Oh, I can't run again. Can I? What the hell is this? Clear chat. Insert. Oh well. Okay. Let's try a new prompt, and I want to compare. Let me just upload a bank transfer image, if I still have any. Okay, yep. This is going to be in Thai, and I want to ask the model to extract information for me. So let me upload a file. Okay. This is a receipt of money transfer from me to someone else. So I would just upload it there and describe this image in extreme details. Let's see. Okay. Oh, stupid me. Maybe I need to rerun again, I think. Oh, crap. Okay, well, okay. New compare, and I want a 1.5 flash to come here. Upload my file. Let's see. Okay, come on. Here we go. Describe the image in extreme details. What is happening? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, dear Lord. That's extreme detail. Okay. Let's break down the image with extreme detail. Overall composition, the image appears to be receipt of financial transactions, blue background. Describe the image. Yes. Close-up view of digital receipt and transaction. That's it. That's not detail at all. Text elements. Here's a breakdown of visual elements. Headers. Nice. Payment successful. Payment successful. Transaction completed with the K plus logo suggesting specific banking or payment platform. Correct. Sender information. Yeah, that's my name in Thai. That's yep, that's payer. Wait, do I have English name in that too? This is hallucination. What the hell? Yeah. This is hallucination. I could have spelling my name differently. Okay. Roria. What's that for? That's okay. This is wrong. This letter is wrong. Do you guys see it? Where am I? This letter is wrong. Yeah, both of them got it wrong. But you know, all in all is not bad. So for the recipient, where is it? That is correct. Yeah, that is correct. Well, translation too is not necessary. Okay. What the hell is this? Hanaoka. I need to go back to the image. Ah, right. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I'm not going to check that. Both of them got it right, I think. Transaction detail. 60 bahts. That's very cheap. That's correct. Prominent QR code is displayed. Okay. QR code, right, background. Fonts? Seriously? Oh, wow. Color palette. Okay. Good for you. Overall impression is professionally designed. Good. Well, give me a sentiment too. Professionally designed receipt. Okay, cool. Yeah, this model, Gemini 2.0 Flash, got me a lot more detailed. I'm not sure if it's good, but I think both of them got the information correctly. I think it's got an improvement from before. I'm curious if I actually remove this one. Can I still run it? Stop editing. I can't rerun. Can I rerun? No, I can't, unfortunately. Ooh, get code. What the hell is this? Ooh, create your API key before using the code in your project. Right, the newer model that Gen has recommended, you can run this prompt from Gemini API after installing relevant packages by running the following code. So you can actually experiment here. Upload to Gemini. This is where I upload a file there. And then you can copy this code, paste it in your Python environment, or even open in Colab. My goodness, this is nice. Chat session, okay. Wow, you can actually reproduce this section easily by just copy it here. That is interesting. Yeah, get code is over here after you click this gear button. Temperature, tools. Oh, tools, structured output, code execution, function calling, grounding. Advanced safety, okay, great. Output length 8,000, oh, great. This is awesome. Okay, close it. Wow, okay, this is nice. Okay, well, if you don't compare models, yeah, those items in the setting is actually on the right hand side here. Okay, am I happy with this? What else I can do? I can upload a file. You know what, let me because I'm having fun, I am going to create a new chat, but where? Okay, I will find, can I find it though? Where the hell is it? I want to get a, maybe I will just write everything from scratch, but let me equip it with code general execution. Okay, help me, help me estimate, help me with the distribution of my future saving. Help me with the distribution of my future savings based on the following information. Income, fixed. Let's say I have fixed at dollar. Let's say dollar. Oh, that's way too high. It's fake number anyway, so let's go with it. Let's fix at $100 a month. Rent, fixed. Excruciating, expensive rent a month. Food, average of, let's say, I eat a lot, let's say, a month. On average, a month varies plus or minus 10,000. Wow, I eat a lot, guys. What's the word? Okay, now roughly I am, worst case is 80K. So let's do some chance of getting sick per month is 10%. If sick, I need to spend, okay. Now, what is plot? Okay, actually, what is the chance of me getting negative saving by 12 months? In the next 12 months, you must do Monte Carlo simulation for 5,000 rounds. So Monte Carlo simulation is a simulation that you actually, let's say in this case, you go month by month and you roll the dice. What's going to happen for, let's say, for getting sick or for food expense, which it has an average of, right now it's 50K, but it can fluctuate between with the variance, I say, standard deviation of 100, assuming normal distribution. Okay. Wow, why is it so little here? Okay, I want to see a distribution as well. So hopefully it works. I enable the code execution too. Okay, hold on guys. What model am I running with? A Flash 2.0 Flash. So defining parameter, set up Monte Carlo simulation like so, analyze results. Okay, good. Import NumPy, matplot, income, rent, average of food, standard deviation of food, illness cost, probability of illness, number of simulation, number of months, total savings, and 0. This is sketchy. So let me just read through. Total savings. So what it's doing is it's going to for loop for each simulation. And for each simulation, it's going to run for each month. For each month, it will randomly pick food cost from random and randomly pick if I'm going to get sick. And then the saving is income minus rent minus food cost and medical cost. And then append to the month. And then total saving is a sum of the 12 months. And repeat this by a number of simulations. Analyze the result. What the hell is this? Negative savings. Probably the sum 1 for saving when the saving is okay. Really? How so? Okay. You know what? Let me just try to read the game. If I actually hang on it very closely at 7, so I have a chance of getting negative 75. Let's see. I read the game. Can I regenerate it? Oh boy, I can't. I have run the month count, saving distribution. Oh boy. Can't regen? Seriously? New prompt. Here we go. Oh damn. Function calling. Okay. Yep, you should improve Google. I mean, I want a button to regenerate it. Otherwise, I'll need to copy and paste all the time, which is not nice, you know? Okay. Run. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Monte Carlo. Yes, I've seen now there. The probability of getting poorer, getting negative is about 27%. Use code with caution. Yeah, of course. You got to read it through because sometimes it makes mistakes, and if you cannot understand it, it's going to give you bad things. Histogram plot output. Plot histogram for me. Why don't you plot using matplotlib? Run. Modify the code to include the histogram plot. Okay. Where is the plot? It doesn't really show. The answer is different. Could be because of the simulation running. It's different. Yeah, because there is a randomness in here, so it might not get to the same result. Okay, well, I'll put histogram in, I would say, a table. Really? So it can't give me an image? Seriously? What is happening here? Oh, here we go. Frequency. Yeah, so bin range, right? So the threshold, the break even, where at the end of 12 months I've got no saving, $0, is around here, and above that I am running negative. Okay. Yep, 29%. All right, so I think this. Let's move on a little bit further. Multimodal API. Starting interacting with real time using text, voice, video, and screen sharing. Okay, that's the only model that I can select. Output format, audio, a voice, a puck. Who's a puck? Function calling, automatic function response. I don't know what this is. Function calling, yeah, you can have your own function, I think. Enter there's a function declarations for the model to call. C API, for example. Wow. Intro to function calling with Gemini API. Function callings. Okay. Function declarations. When you implement function calling, you create tools object. You define functions using JSON specifically with a select subset of OpenAPI schema. Okay, yep, that's where you define your function calling. Yeah, I think you need to supplement that. Or maybe later. This is too detailed right now. Okay, good to know. Oh, where was I? Here we go. Visual editor. Ooh. Okay. And try example. Here we go. Get weather. Get the weather for a requested city, and argument is a city, and that's just a string. Make property an array. Make property a required. Okay, maybe that. Okay, I was just okay. I have one function now. Enable that too, just in case. Ooh, excited. Not sure if it's going to work, and especially because it's going to do some screen captioning too. Oh wow, let me just try with having a conversation with it. Allow while visiting this website. Connecting to server. Hello, who are you?
Okay. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
What's your name?
I am a
I
large
don't
language
care.
model trained by Google.
Yeah. What's the weather in Toronto right now? Okay, give me the answer. So yeah. Okay, let me just stop then. Disconnect. The function calling, well, it knows that it needs to get this function called, but I don't think we have given it the actual body of the function to actually call some API. That's because I think this is because it's just a mock-up. We haven't really defined the actual body of the get weather function just yet. I see. Well, at least it knows how to do that. Clear chat to start new stream. Talk to Gemini, we did, which was not that impressive. Use the webcam to share what you're looking at. Share your screen. If I open a webcam, what can I ask? Okay, let's try. This time.
Okay, I understand you said this time. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss or ask about?
What color of my t-shirt am I wearing?
Your t-shirt appears to be green. Is there anything else you'd like to know about it?
Describe me in excruciatingly pain detail.
Okay, I will describe you in detail. You are an Asian man with short dark hair and glasses. You are wearing a green t-shirt, and you have a small microphone clipped to your shirt. You are sitting in a gray office chair in front of a white desk. Behind you is a large TV, and a door and plant to the side. Is there anything else you would like me to add to this description?
Try it again.
Okay, I'll try again. You are an Asian man with short dark hair and glasses. You are wearing a green t-shirt and a small microphone is clipped to your shirt. You're sitting in a gray office chair at a white desk, and you are holding a massage gun in your hand.
Oh,
Behind
geez.
you.
You know. You know too.
Okay, you said, oh. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Can you see what I'm holding?
Yes, you're holding a small green and red packet of Clorets gum. It appears to be the watermelon flavor. Is there anything else I can help with?
Maybe you don't know this. What is this thing I'm holding? Very
You're holding a
careful.
small green jar with a yellow label. It appears to be a balm or ointment. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Cool. Describe my background.
Okay, I can describe your background. You are sitting in front of a white desk. Behind you is a large black television on a white shelf. To your left is a doorway and a houseplant. Is there anything more specific you'd like me to describe?
Wow. Okay, got to say that this is impressive, and the latency is low enough for me to say that this is great. Oh my goodness, I'd love to play with this. Okay, real-time streaming. Let's get to the starter app. Ooh, explore Gemini capabilities. Try these starters app to interact hands-on with the capabilities of Gemini. Clone them on GitHub to kickstart your next project. I think I was interested in summarize script scene extra. This is boring. Upload a photo and combine 2D or 3D dispersion analysis with reasoning. Ask Gemini to give you location objects. I think this is boring as well. Explore places in the world using Gemini and the Google Map. Okay. They are boring. Let me just try interactive video player that lets you summarize script scenes. All right, play with this one then. Add a video by clicking the plus button. All right, let me just upload a video I took when I was on vacation. Where is it? Not very interesting video actually. Okay, well, not much here, but at least I can showcase my mom, I think. Oh, all right. Okay, add a upload. Oh, no. Oh, I clicked the right one. Upload. 1.7 megabyte. Up. Okay, downloading. Ooh, explore this video via AV caption. Paragraph, key moment. Generate. Generate bullet points for the video. Place each bullet point in an object. Send To set time. Ooh, what is happening here? What can I do? What are you doing? All right, time codes. A man at a woman and a man and a woman sitting at a table. The table has food on it. Okay, that's a hot pot. Oh, right, salad and rice. They are both smiling. The table is wooden. Did you say that already? Yeah. Oh, okay, no. The table is wooden. They are at a restaurant. What am I supposed to do with this? Explore this video via. Okay. Let me just AV captions. For each scene in the video, generate captions that describe the scene along with any spoken text placed in quotation marks. Place each caption into an object. Isn't it the same thing though? Table has okay. Key moments. Tables. What the hell is tables? Choose 5 key shots from the video and set call. Okay. Set no description 10 words or less. Oh. Okay. Emoji. I think I can change the prompt here, but this is a preset prompt that I can use. Oh wait, there's something down here. How can I do that? Here we go. Oh, charts. Wow. Okay, let's see if I can find a more interesting video. More actions. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, is somebody chopping up food? Okay. Oh, okay, cool. That's one thing though. Let's see. Oh, this is a little bit long. 23 seconds. Close. How can I go back? How can I clear this one? Okay. Can't clear. Just go back. Try create a new one. 27 megabytes. I went to an aquarium in Toronto and took a video of a swimming shark coming towards me, and yeah, this is really long. All right, let's see. AV caption, key moments, generate bullet points for the video. Place each bullet point into an object sent to set time codes with the time code of bullet points in the video. A large shark swims in an aquarium. A person is taking a picture of a shark, really? Oh, a person is taking a picture. Well, the phone is right here. It's very small here. Shark swims with its mouth open. Right. Haiku. Sure. Haiku. Make sure to follow the syllable count rule. Glassy water swims. Glassy water swims. A shark glides, mouth open wide, sharp teeth swim in the view. Sure. A haiku. You have better things to do, don't you? All right. Let's see if I can find another video. What's this about? Oh well. Oh well, maybe later. Ooh, actually no. This is my the time that I spent in a lovely hotel. Okay, nice. A lovely hotel by Shoji Lake, Kawakuchiko, a while ago. It was great. Let's see. Open, and this is worth the haiku. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Right. So this is a hotel that I spent a night there, and it's by the lake. And if you walk to the balcony, you can actually see Mount Fuji. So I wonder if the video, the AI can actually say that this is the key moment. Okay, key moments. Let's do it. Waiting for the models. So this video is about 20 seconds long, and it's going to take 20 seconds long too to compute. Okay, a view of a room with 2 chairs, a lamp, and a shoji window. I don't even know what the shoji window is. Maybe that one. Okay, a closer view of the shoji window showing a mountain range and a body of water. A zoom in view of the mountain range and body of water. What is the mountain? Oh, come on. How can you not know it? How do you know? Oh, right. I can see the distinctive snow-capped peak and conical shape of Mount Fuji in the video. So, right, let's see, haiku worthy. Video. Shoji's screens white light. Fuji's peak reflects the lake. Nature's beauty seen. I like this one, so I am going to capture a cap screen for this moment. Okay. Here we go. I've got this saved now, and I can make another video out of it. All right, so starter apps. Let's see. This one is more interesting to me. Wow. Oh, forgot to see actually the system prompt. Act as a helpful global travel agent with a deep fascination for the world. Your role is to recommend a place on the map that relates to the discussion and to provide interesting information about the location selected and to give surprising. What? Seriously? Is this a typo? And to give surprising and delightful suggestions. Choose obscure, off the beaten track locations. Off the beaten track. Not obvious answer. Do not answer harmful or unsafe questions. First explain why a place is interesting in a 2-sentence. Second, if relevant, call the function recommend place. Okay. To show the user location on the map, you can expand on your answer if the user asks for more information. Okay, let's do that. So I think it will try to suggest off the beaten tracks location, not the obvious answer. So let me just, oh, okay. Take me somewhere, Bangkok. Let's see. Off the track. Okay. Ayutthaya is the former capital of Siam with magnificent temples and palaces. Okay, it's actually recommended Ayutthaya for what? Let's explore somewhere less well known. Good. How about the ancient city of Ayutthaya in Thailand? It's a place where magnificent temples and palaces stand as testaments to a bygone era, offering a glimpse of into Thailand's rich history and culture. Recommended places. Okay, that's it. More detail. Oh. Okay, now I think it's just its own knowledge now. It doesn't have anything related to this. Anyway, so let's actually check. Explain why a place is interesting. Yes, in 2 sentences. If relevant, call function recommend place. Yes, this is the function called recommended places. You can expand on your answer if the user asks more information. Okay, sure. Yep, it did what it was instructed to do so. Cold. Where is somewhere really cold? Russia. Hard pass. No. Let's move on to extremely cold. How about warm? What? Okay, just changed from cold to warm. Okay. Well, this is this panel is just a UI showing a map. I think it has something to do with the brain. This is just a regular classical function. All right. One last thing. Spatial information. Oh, I've seen this before. Okay. Let me see if I can find. Oh, wait. Let me see if I can find any photos I want to take. Otherwise, I'll just ignore this thing. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try this one then. So this image that I'm about to upload, can I even upload? Oh, darn. I need to export it to a JPEG. 4 MB for JPEG, really? Well, whatever. So this is a restaurant in Tokyo. I think it served a dojo kind of cuisine, I think. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's upload an image. And I wanted to count how many people there are. Show me the position. 3D bounding boxes. Oh, 3-dimensional. Just to show me the position of female servers. Label each one with sin. That should be 2. Oh, 1 and 2. Is that right? Come on. I think it missed this lady at the back there. Keep the temperature low. Try it again. 1, 2, just 2. Right. Maximize the temperature. Ooh. Just 2. Okay. All customers. All elderly. Customer elderly. Send. What's the point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, that's a lot. All right, one at a time, man. Is that an old customer? What the heck? Oops. Okay, better now. That is not a customer. Is that old? I don't think that person is old. No, she just had great hair. That's old. That's not old. Okay. What else I can try? Food dish. Point and 3D bucket boxes are preliminary model capabilities. Point, I don't know. Point for, let's say, mug. A mug. That's not a mug. A mug is here. That's strange. Show raw prompt. Point to the mug with no more than 10 items. The answer should follow this format. Oh, this is actually raw prompt. Okay. Detect a food dish with no more than 20 items. I see. Okay, cool. Ooh, not bad. Yeah, that's a lot of food dishes. Okay, cool. So yeah, the accuracy is not there yet, but it's not bad at all. So actually, it will be convenient for you to use this. This model to actually do a bounding box detection, like cat detect, and you'll right away get a bounding. Wow, this is a bad bounding box. Anyway, you get a okay bounding box of a cat if you want to implement your own computer vision model. Prompt gallery. Okay, I am curious about math worksheets. Create a set of math worksheet for parents. So right away have this. Create a collection of elementary math worksheet for addition and so. Oh, okay. Let me just go crazy. Vector calculus with imaginary integrals. It's going to go crazy. Oh, why am I using a 1.5 flash? Stop. Oh man, can I do flash? Ah, it's terrible. I have to redo it. And have that temperature, structure, output. I'll just play for that. Here we go. To make sure I create the most helpful worksheets, you can clarify this. Ooh, wow. I used to be able to do that. Not anymore. Yep, Cauchy theorem. Go for it. Poles and zeros. Good. All right. So I think we have exhausted everything I could click on the Google AI Studio, but I think this is great, especially this button. So if I actually test and I actually activate that. Wait. Why can't I? Interesting. Yep, you can actually come. Oh, so some tools can't be used together, but the cool thing is now you have. So I checkbox the structure output, but no, yeah. So you can actually use this one as a ooh, as a quick start, I think. So if I actually upload an image, let's see, if I upload this one and I ask it to oh, actually, you know what, let's go back to starter app and spatial analyzer. Oh darn, show raw output. If I do this, yeah, if I do this and go back to prompt and upload and oops, an image, come on, quicker, and put my copied prompt there, detect item, food dish, and then do this, each no more than 20 items, I'll put a JSON list, so I can actually do that, where each entry contains 2 bounding box label. So if I run, it should work. Oh, yeah, it did work. And I can get code. Yep, upload to Gemini function is there. Let's see how to do that. File upload, generate config. Right. Temperature, top, model, flash, files. What the hell is that? To make these files available on the local file system, you may need to update the file path. I don't know what that is. Application, yeah, sure. Sessions, start history, row, upload a file, detect item. And this is the response back. So send message, insert. Okay, nice. Yeah. Oh, I can copy, or I can click open in Colab. Import key. Doesn't look like you have created in Gemini. Create your first key in Gemini here. Oh, where did it go? Okay, create your API key. If I do that, then wow, by the way, look at that. AI Studio Gemini prompt free form. Okay, set up, install this thing. Ooh, wow, okay, cool. Yeah, that must be a way to put your API here. I think it's in secrets, yeah. And import key, manage key. So if I actually set my API key somehow, okay, let me just do that outside so you don't see my API key. So I just click that one button and then it has some kind of like working wheel, and that's it. I have my key where I should copy and paste it. Let me do that in Sublime. So I copy and paste it in my notebook, in my notepad. But if I do come back to here and import, not found. Are you kidding me? Oh, doesn't look like you have created Gemini key yet. Create your first there. I'll try it again later. I have created. Right, here we go. So don't need to do anything, just import. Nice. Nicely done. Okay, this is easier to use. Okay, generate content. Oh, save this for later. Authorization, connect host to runtime. What authorization? What else do I need to do? Okay. Show me. Gemini is a powerful AI. Oh, okay. This is helper. Kind of like code assist in Colab, I think. So, okay, for making things in order, I'm putting it back here. What am I doing? I'm lost. Can I save it? Save. Waiting for authorization for GitHub. What is happening? Why do I need to put it on GitHub? Okay. Okay, maybe I need to read it. License, nothing. License, okay, nothing. Setup, import, close one first. Okay, Google Colab user, get the AI, get the model, load. You're load what? What are you loading? Convert. Okay. Content. What content? Makes no sense to me right now. Okay, I need to read it more. Upload file. Not seeing any GitHub at all. Okay. Maybe this is why it wants to. Oh, waiting for authorization. Huh. Okay. Authorization redirect to. Blah blah blah. Okay, sure. It's happy now. Save to GitHub. I actually don't want to. You know what? Save to GitHub to keep change. No, I just want to save a copy in my drive. Creating a copy. All right. I am happy now. I have my, yeah, this copy is in my drive. Now I have a functional code that I can just customize to what I need. Okay. Yeah, nice, man. Good job, Google. All right, I think we explore that. Open information developer. What am I doing? What did I do? Oh, forum. Close. API documentation. Getting started with, okay. Yeah, I think this is for someone who actually want to deep dive into API. But yeah, exploring the API, long context, solve tasks, fine tuning, modify the behavior of Gemini models to be better at some task. Generated structure output. Cool. We are at the Gemini API document. We have many things here. So yeah, this is for later. Deep dive. Same thing here. So I can close this one. Python Gen AI. I don't know where I got it from. Google Gemini Python SDK provides interface for developers to integrate Google generative models to their application. This is early API support, open to change. Okay, you need to install this, and then you can create a client with your API key, and then run this block on Vertex. You can do this, call the model content, and get the response back. So it's pretty basic here. Yeah, this is like low-level programming. Not that low, but lower than LangChain, I think. So you have to do a lot of heavy lifting here, like writing all of this thing yourself. It's great for customization. Honey customized apps, streaming, async, streaming, embedding, Imagen. Imagen is here. Why? Okay. Yep. Files. Okay. Get to. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot of things if you want to actually use this SDK package. Okay, I'll close this one. Genie. What am I? Where am I? Okay, Gemini actually. Prompt gallery. Yes, we did that. We also. Did we do this? Yeah, we are actually in the. Yeah, specifically for the Flash. I think. SDK experimental. Right. Okay. Yeah, we saw that one. So I think it's good for today. At least I think we should stop now. We did introduction announcements of Gemini 2.0 and got a little bit of deep dive into the Google AI Studio. I think I know a lot more about it. And my next step would probably be live API or something like programming and using this thing to make my own app. Yeah, Google has, this is a good upgrade from Gemini 1.5 Pro. Honestly, I had an impression that Google is losing this war, the AI war, but with this upgrade, it doesn't seem that it's falling far behind though. It's still behind, but not that bad. I have heard that with the subscription, I think what it's called in the I think it's called deep research, where that's what I'm interested in too. Not here. Learn more. No. I think we covered everything here. Actually, I want to try this one. Gen Multimodal Live API Web Console Demo Gen Explainer. Haha. One last thing before we pause. What the hell? Okay, I need to read. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Okay, I'll leave it for tomorrow for now. What is this thing? Oh, okay. Well, I keep on clicking the same thing, but what I want to actually find is this one, deep research. I am interested in this one. We are also launching a new feature called deep research, advanced reasoning and long context capability to act as a research assistant. And that is going to be available in Gemini Advanced today. So what is deep research? Yep, I am going to try. Ooh, look at that. Deep research, in-depth answer. Oh, that's all? Okay. Yeah, I want to try it next time. So, that's for today. So we'll come back with our random forest in the next episode. Bye, guys.